UIC.
Jamaica, Jamaica, Jamaica. You now have a real choice. Put your ex beside the handshake from Mr. Joseph L. Patterson, the leader who stood up and went to jail for us. Don't let the two colonial parties and the PSOJ oligarchy trick us again. They tricked our grandmothers, our grandfathers, our mothers and fathers. Don't make them trick you too. Put your ex beside the handshake for Mr. Joseph L. Patterson and the UIC for your family, your community, and your country. After more than 80 years of the two, it's time for something and someone truly new. Put your ex beside the handshake to vote for Mr. Joseph L. Patterson, the man with the plan to transform this nation. Mr. Patterson and the UIC will eliminate corruption, give you back your ancestors' land, and make Jamaica a safe, clean, and orderly true republic so we can live, earn, and retire with dignity in our own country.